30 homes sold in 30 days in Songbird.
Stay tuned to discover why it's such a popular new home community in Manakin Sabot.
Hi, I'm Jason.
I'm Alden, and we're your new home consultants in our newly selling Songbird Community in Manakin Sabot, Virginia.
Songbird offers larger home sites from 1/3 of an acre to just over an acre.
The community's got a large focus on nature. You're going to find many walking trails, open green spaces, and an abundance of wooded area. Best of both worlds community. You're going to enjoy all the nature, but without losing access to all the amenities Short Pump has to offer just 7 minutes away.
Come see us at our Lancaster model located in Tuckahoe Bridge at 2114 Tuckahoe Bridge Drive, or reach out to us online at gomsh.com.
We look forward to meeting you.